Alrighty. Giving this house a car wash. First we wash it with the car wash brush. Soak it with some 30-second First we soak it with this. First we soak it with that 30-second outdoor cleaner. First we soak it with that. Then we fill a bucket and use the car wash brush to wash the siding. And then on the gutters, we use gutter cleaner. You have to use gutter cleaner because the asphalt tiles make a reaction. Makes a reaction with the aluminum in the gutters, and the bond can't be broken. It's like using CLR. If you have calcium, lime, or rust, nothing washes it off unless you use CLR. This is the same idea on the gutters. If you don't use the gutter cleaner, you can't break that bond. No amount of cleaning will take it off. But we use the gutter cleaner and a Scotch-Brite pad. Scrub the aluminum and it comes nice. But pressure washing alone, you cannot clean vinyl siding nicely with just a pressure washer. You definitely have to have something to kill the mold and the mildew and the algae. And then you use the Spray 9 for the next level of actual cleaning. Then you use the gutter cleaner as the final detail on the gutters and aluminum trim around the windows. And you have a nice clean house. Today happens to be a beautiful day, like one of the best days of the year. So it's working out nice.